Hi guys, I'm Louie.
And I'm Tamzin.
And we're from TikTok, you probably might know. And we're gonna give you a quick tutorial on how to film TikToks. This button right here, the red button, is where you click to record. And then you have ×2, ×3, 0.5 and 0.3. And those change it from slow motion to quicker, depending on how you want it. And then you can click like effects. I mean, you can have green screens and loads of different types of stuff like this, for example.
There's loads of effects, yeah.
If you want a timer, just simply click here. And then, for example, you can like place your phone somewhere and then it will start recording. Like that. You can also select the 10-second option, which is here. Which
gives you a longer like time to set up.
Yeah, because if you're quite far away from something and you want to like get into position, it's really helpful. And then filters, what we love, F1, F2, there's loads of filters. We'll quickly run through.
But don't use the ones that make you look like you're filming off of a microwave.
Yeah, because they're not impressive.
They're not nice.
The most popular filter I would say there is probably the G6 one. That one's kind of cute. That's the one I would recommend using. Then of course, right, we've got the side buttons now. Beauty, if you want to put a beauty filter on, you can.
No, I've never used that. I used to use it when I used to film.
But I feel like if you don't use the beauty filter, it will do better, just from experience.
It's not on the side, but usually you can like trim the sound. So if you have a sound, you can place where you want the song to start.
Yeah. So for example, if you want to trim it, what it will do is it will record and then stop where you want it to stop. And then you can place a timer and then go back to wherever you want to go. This is handy for transitions. If you're moving like your phone that way, you can like stop it and then come in that way. And it will look like a transition, so you've like moved from one place to another. And you could change location. We did that on one of yours.
Yeah, we did that earlier today.
We'll place that on the side for them to see. So guys, once you've recorded your perfect TikTok, like us, because we're the best, you can click this button right here. And then you can click next and then drafts, and it will go into your drafts. So what a draft is, it means that you can post it when you want to post it.
So it's just
it will stay there.
Also, if you're on a For You page and you like a song, you can save the song.
On this button here, you can click where you want to save videos, hashtags, and save sounds, for example.
Yeah.
So if I'm on my For You page right now and I want to save a sound, I'll click it here and then add to favorites, and then you can go back later and use it when you want to use it.
Yeah.
It's pretty much that easy. And that is how we make TikToks.